Hey everyone! Did you know that curd rice is not just delicious, but also super healthy? Yep, that's right. Today, I'm going to share with you the top 5 health benefits of eating curd rice. First off, curd rice is great for digestion. The probiotics in curd help promote a healthy gut and improve digestion. So if you're someone who often suffers from indigestion or bloating, curd rice might just be your new best friend. Next up, curd rice is packed with nutrients. It's a great source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and teeth. Plus, it's rich in protein, which helps build and repair tissues in our body. So if you're looking for a nutritious meal, curd rice has got you covered. Another amazing benefit of curd rice is its ability to boost your immunity. The probiotics in curd help strengthen your immune system, making you less prone to infections and illnesses. So if you want to stay healthy and fight off those nasty bugs, make sure to include curd rice in your diet. Did you know that curd rice can also help with weight management? It's true. The protein and calcium in curd rice help keep you feeling full for longer, reducing your cravings and aiding in weight loss. So if you're trying to shed those extra pounds, curd rice can be a great addition to your diet. Last but not least, curd rice is a fantastic source of energy. The carbohydrates in rice provide a steady release of energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. So if you need a quick pick-me-up, curd rice is the way to go. There you have it, folks. The 5 incredible health benefits of eating curd rice. So next time you're craving a tasty and nutritious meal, don't forget to reach for that bowl of curd rice. Your body will thank you.